Batch 47 confirmed. The flow rate is stable.
Received. Proceed to blending.
Batch 789 confirmed.
Weight steady at 20 kilograms. Batch CFW34B confirmed. Rigidity looks good on this lot.
Keep an eye on the thickness readings.
Looks stable now. Everything within programmed specifications.
Temperature holding steady at 150 Celsius. Airflow looks consistent across all lanes. Surface hardness is optimal on this run. Good. Send the samples to Station 4 for stress testing.
Alignment is holding steady on line 2. Confirmed. The stacking sequence is optimal.
Barcode matches manifest. Confirmed. Clear the gate.
The tiles look good, consistent profile. Check the scan results.
Confirmed. Batch 724 matches the order. Approved for sealing.
Easy now, easy. Clear on this side.
Barcode scanned. Confirmation receive.
All right, lowering the load.
The interlocking profile makes installation straightforward and highly durable, perfect for the specified pitch.
Profile R12, quantity confirmed.
Looks good, wrap it up.
Okay, this pallet is secure. Let's verify the count.
Confirmed on the tablet, all profiles accounted for.
All right, line it up right there. Got it. Is the spacing good on this side? Looks perfect. Secure the first one. Keep that straight edge tight. Yeah, got it. How's the laser looking? Perfect.
小心，拿好。好的，好的，放在这里。
Okay, measure that gap right there.
Right there.
Looks good, right on the line. Nail it down. Looks good. Make sure that last one is secure.
Got it. How does the alignment look from down there?
Make sure that overlap is consistent. Looks good from here. Pull the tape. The fastening points here look solid, no irregularities.
Drainage channels are clear and aligned.
Excellent work. The roof is approved for cleanup.
Water flow is exactly as designed. Perfect runoff, no pooling at all.
The runoff looks good here. Yeah, the drainage system handled the flow perfectly, no pooling anywhere.